Ayan, so dahil first time naming sumakay ng train dito sa US, ito ang experience natin. Kapag pala paalis na at malapit na yung train mo, meron sila ditong, parang sa airport din, nakalagay ang departure na yung mga paalis na train. Pag nakita mo na yung sayo, ayan, mag-abang ka na pag malapit na. Meron kang 10 to 15 minutes to board before departing. Wala pa. I-announce pa lang kung anong, kumbaga sa gate, i-announce pa lang kung anong truck ang titigilan ng aming train. So, once na nakakalagay na sa board kung anong truck siya, pwede na kaming mag-board. Sa ngayon, wala pa. Yung flight na, yung aming train ay 10:35. Ang meron palang nakalagay ay 10:20. Nag-aabang dito ang aking mga kasama. Yan. Marami nag-aabang dito. So, ang nangyayari, lahat ng mga malapit nang umalis ay naandito lahat sa gitna. Nag-aabang sila kung anong truck ang pupuntahan nila. Sa truck na to, merong east and west. So, aalamin mo kung ikaw ba ay sa east or sa west. So, para lang siyang
You know what, Mihan?
para lang siyang airplane. Para lang siyang airplane. Meron ding mga overhead. Ayan. Bali, dalawang seat kada side. Andito siya niya sa may window area. Si Ate Leslie naman andun sa kabila, walang katabi. Ito ang seat assignment ni Yan at ako. Si Ate Leslie naman ay nandito sa side na ito. Nasaan ang toilet? So, ito nga, nakasakay na kami dito sa aming naka-assign na train. Nakakatuwa kasi, ayan, meron siyang charging ports. Tapos, meron din namang tray table. Ewan ko kung meron kaming libreng pagkain. Not sure. May bathroom din dun sa pinakadulo. Tapos, wide seat. Ayan. Para ka talagang nasa airplane na premium economy.
Yeah, good seafood and beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a few moments we'll be arriving at our next station stop, Philadelphia 30th Street Station. If Philadelphia 30th Street is your station stop, at this time please start gathering your belongings, make your way towards the exit of the car. For those passengers going south to Philadelphia, ladies and gentlemen, this train will be at capacity at Philadelphia. Therefore, every single seat is...
BMW come along for race when I think.
Yeah, exactly.
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Petersburg, Virginia. Ilang minuto na lang titigil na ito. Kaya nakatayo na dito sa may pintuan lahat ng mga pasahero.
I see Daddy. I think Daddy's right there.
How do you know?
No, that's not it.
Yan yan, umayos ka yan yan.
No, I thought that was a train station.
Ayun si Daddy, ayun. Ayun, dito sa building na to, natuwa ako kasi very colorful siya. Parang mga abandoned building pero colorful.
Daddy.
Halika na. Ayan, nakita ko sila si meron ng katabi. Kasi hindi reserve ang seat kung saan may bakante doon umuupo. Yung mga pasahero. Ay, salamat. Napakalamig kanina, sobra.
Ay, salamat. Makakauwi mo din. No, Mama. It's not that way.
I know.
Over here. It's so scary.
And there we have you. How y'all doing? You big kids in the back. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Hey, you get that?
Oh, thank you. It's connected. Thank you so much.
A little bit.
Go inside. Go to the bathroom inside.
Where?
Inside the building.
Okay.
So, andito na kami ngayon sa Petersburg, Virginia. Ito yung sinakyan namin na train. Amtrak.
$20 because I sort of have an emergency. I'm supposed to go tomorrow, to Fredericksburg, but I didn't know there's nothing around here, and I don't know if there's a bus. I'm gonna call him, but he didn't stop now.
No, I don't have. We only use cards.
I don't have Uber. There was an Uber driver, but I told him, what is it, 308?
804.
So, no more busing yan?